Your language is something you are very attached to. You could feel, you could express your thing in your own language very, very comfortably. And that is why it's very important to speak our own language. More languages you know, more people you can meet and communicate with. Hello everyone, my name is Sumegha Gupta. I'm originally from India and immigrated to Canada in 2013 with my husband. I run a software company, it's called NST Tech, and we are empowering women to come back to STEM. India is a great country, but then if you think of Canada, there are lots of opportunities here for many people. And being a woman of color, and then especially in IT field, I always thought we can do better with our skills. And that was the primary reason I and my husband decided to immigrate to Canada. And then that was the best thing, because when we came here, the whole new world of opportunities opened up. In just 14 hours, right? The entire world can change. It's a 14-hour flight from India to Canada. When we came to Canada, there were lots of great organizations from government which is supporting newcomers. So for example, Manitoba Start, Seed Winnipeg, Success Skills Center. These were the places where we went. I also wanted to start my own business. So Seed Winnipeg was very, very instrumental in helping me start my own business. I also got support from our ethnoculture community. So I and my husband follow Hinduism. So we have temples here in Canada and Winnipeg. So we could go there, we talk to people, we could share the experiences, how to start things. So I think East Indian community is one community which like to mix with people very quickly, and then that is one thing. We are individual in the things, with the traditions we bring with us, the sincerity, how the families live together and they grow together. But in all, East Indian communities are the one who really want to mingle and mix with other communities, and that's how the Indian community is. It is very important to preserve our roots. And that is why ethnocultural communities are very, very important for our survival. I also think these personal spaces give you option to speak freely and openly. There is no judgment in these spaces. So that is why even though you speak English, you speak French, you're very comfortable being Canadian, but that small part of you, the otherness of us, is very, very important for us to just be with us. Having these communities allow us to be ourselves, with our own people sometime, and just laugh and dance and speak in our own language, so that we can still feel that the part of home which we left is still with us. So, and that is why these communities are very, very important.